Good morning, YouTube people. Just wanted to do a quick preview of how our member cloud works. Inside our cloud, we have PDF files, which can be you can print them, you can view them. Here's one. Here's the Christmas 18 pack. It shows all the patterns in that pack. There's quite a bit. You also get other PDF files, but just to do a quick summary, this is how the PDF files look. You look up here, you can actually print right from our cloud. And we will be adding more. This is just the Christmas file. We just showed you the Christmas 18 pack. I got the Christmas tree lantern and the poinsettia lantern. This is showing the Christmas trees lantern insert. Again, this is a PDF file. You can save these images, you can print them, you can export them, do whatever you want to do with them. It's included in members perk files. Again, you just go up here and you print it and do whatever you want to do. You can save them, you can import them into Cricut, cut them on vinyl cutters, all of the above. Here's the poinsettia lantern insert. Again, same thing. You could print it. You could do whatever you want to do with it. It's showing the panels, and then you also get, being these are free, you get full crafters rights. You can sell the glass. You can make as many as you want. There's no limits. That's all included. The crafters rights usage license. So there's no limits. Today we just added the Christmas tree oval, and again you can do all of the above. Print them, save them, and do what you want to do with full crafters rights. Here we're showing one of the files in the Christmas tree oval. They're numbered and ready to go. You can print it, save it, all the above. And again, it's all free for our members, for our exclusive members perk cloud. Shown here, you can open it in full screen. You can download it. Well, not delete it. These are my options. You can download it and do whatever you want to do. And if that isn't enough, we also include our Christmas book PDF. It's the complete book file. For the membership fee of only $2.99 a month, this alone will cover at least 2 years of membership. And here's the Christmas book patterns. I won't go through the whole book, but you get the idea. There's 55 patterns. And again, they're all PDF files. You can print them. There's quite a bit. On and on and on. All included. And they all are available in the cloud. In the cloud, you can also go to the page number and click and view pages. 10. You could view them all. 57 pages. And again, easily can be printed. So just wanted to show you a little preview of inside the cloud. But it doesn't stop there. We showed you the Christmas file. We have bonus patterns, teardrops, Halloween, bookends. Let's take a peek. Inside the bonus patterns, there's beginner teardrops, Art Deco shells, the Down East Lighthouse, and birds. Let's take a peek inside the birds file. You got the hummingbird, oval, eagle, and cardinal. Let's take a peek. Our newest pattern here, numbered, unnumbered, and as well the PDF. Showing the inside the PDF for the hummingbird oval. You get the numbered version. You get the plotter version. No numbers. A little preview. And again, the full crafter's user rights. And the eagle, same deal. We have the full print 24-inch. We have all different options. And our very famous cardinal pattern. Same deal. PDFs, numbered, unnumbered. It's all there. Inside the bonus patterns, we also have our Down East Lighthouse, showing you a base file that you could easily enlarge. We have a tiled version. If you want to print at home, as well, the Down East Lighthouse comes in a full 18 by 18, where you could take to Staples or your favorite print shop and do a blueprint of this pattern. It's included. Inside the Lighthouse folder, we show you a color preview, how we think it would look really nice made up in glass. This was done with glass fills. You could see the different elements of the design, but this is basically just a guide to give you an idea of what colors to use. And inside the bonus patterns folder, you also find our Art Deco shells pattern. This is also with print at home tiled, full blueprint options, 32 by 32, and all the above. I mean, there's so much to show here. Again, when we say we have member perks, this is member perks. And we will be adding more patterns as we go. And inside the bonus patterns, you'll find a few added goodies. This is a very simple teardrop we made. And again, it comes with the full crafter's rights and unlimited usage. And we're not done yet. That was just the bonus patterns and Christmas. We have teardrops, Halloweens, and bookend patterns. So there's so much more to see and download and use. Our membership fees are only $2.99 a month. And it's an amazing value. And if you haven't joined, I mean, really join, because we are adding more patterns all the time. And I mean, I can go through all the other patterns and take a peek at the teardrops. And in this file, teardrops, we've added, let's see, 9 so far. We'll be adding more. And again, these are all JPEGs. You could print them, use them, all the above. These are 9 of our more popular teardrops, but again, we will be adding more. It's a quick sneak preview inside our witch patterns, the witch collection in our Halloween patterns folder. Maybe today we'll throw in the new bat spinner we made. So if you are a member, you'll see that new file will be added. As soon as I finish this video, we'll put that bat spinner up. Actually, being we're here, let's do it right now. Into our Halloween patterns, we're going to upload a file. Go to Etsy. Let's see. We have the There's a bat spinner. I found it. If it was a snake, it would have bit me. I'm going to upload that. And just like that, the bat spinner is uploaded. Take a peek at it. And there's the file. Comes in 3 different sizes, 5, 4, and 3-inch panels that will make a 10-inch, 8-inch, and 6-inch spinner. And again, it comes unnumbered, just showing how you hang it in the center. And as well, you can use the spinner pattern as a hanger. Just uploaded today. Well, just now. And as well, we have the bookend patterns, the squirrel, dragonfly, the modern butterfly, abstract butterfly, a cat, and celestial. So it on, and we will be adding more bookend patterns too. So once again, when we say we pay it back, we prove it with our member perks. And we want to just say thank you for being a member and supporting our channel. It's the least we can do. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any other pattern requests or concerns about the channel, please let me know. I'd love to hear what you have to say. If you're a member, you'll see in the notes or new posts, you'll see in the members only area the link for these patterns for the cloud. And if you're not a member, really you should join. $2.99 a month, and really is a great deal. So please hit the join button, or when you go to my channel, click this link right here to join. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up down below. We really appreciate that as well. Take care and have a nice day.